people see the NDC more attractive. It's a party that you can relate to. You can listen and be part of. That is why today, say young person, people are joining NDC. They are not scared. They don't ask themselves, hey, hana me free no mo be jeme de. Hey, me dini say na tio, no mo tia mo me. Hey, me de. They are confident in their skin to be part of the NDC. Today, when a young person wants to join NPP, they first ask themselves, eh, hina me free, omo be jeme. Na me dini de send ye se no e dini de esanwonafo di o me assure say me koma they will listen to me. Eh me dini de esenzemafo di o na me ra NPP ni ma are they going to even give me ears? Eh me dini de entafo din pa na me ra NPP ni ma omo betie me. And that is the questioner. These are the questions people are asking themselves today. So they find it difficult to be part of the NPP because you need to sound a certain way. Your name needs to sound a certain way. You need to be called Kwame Amwako. We need to be called Kofi Amwako. We need to be called Ata. You need to be called Opoku. You need to be called Opok Prempe before they will accept you, say you are one of us. It's a tribal party. So the gap, the difference between the NPP and the NDC is huge. It's big. When you take your time and you analyze Ghana's politics, you will see clearly that NPP is not for Ghanaians. It's for some group of fools who feel that they are entitled. When we speak, nobody should speak. It is us, those kind of people that I don't want to be part of it. They are for they are elites. When we speak, everybody is a fool. The Kufu kind of people. But when you go deep into them, you will see their pin brains. They are full of themselves, but very empty inside. And that is what we have been talking about. These are the details. It is all follow Ghana politics. Take your time, sit back and ask these questions. You will understand. And then when you go to our universities, young people are trooping in to be part of the NDC. They are comfortable because your Frau Livingston Donu, nobody is going to insult you. Your Frau Abubakar Muhammad, now because we're NDC, everybody is going to accept you. Your Frau Kwamina Belson, Ekobedu Taylor, they are going to accept you as a fanti. Your Frau, they don't care how your name sounds, your tonation, they don't care. The NDC accepts everybody from every background. But before you become part of the NPP, you ask yourself a lot of questions. Gabi Ochidako Kotina TV, so this is what I've been talking about. They always want you people to think, say, there is a group, school. Now they are intelligent. Jimmy, this is another twerp.
And because they got education early, at a time that just a minority of Ghanaians were getting education, it gave them, if you like, to a point, I mean, that's the point.
But I'll still stay with you on that because there are also families or blocks that also were educated.
But they are in government. They are CEOs of public and private institutions. They are all over the place. So I'm just making the point that I don't know how many of you in this room have a grandfather who had over 100 children. I did. Okay, how many? How many did your grandfather have?
Well, I recollect maybe about 7 or
about
8.
7.
Yes.
Oh, he didn't have strength. But you know.
Oh, really?
No, Abema.
Yeah.
So really, that's the point I'm making. Okay, but he was serious about his children's education, and because they grew up in a household where public service came as second nature, a lot of them went into.
But that's where people have problems. They say, yes, they might be there, but look at other families as well.
But
bring them in.
No, okay, let me tell you.
Look at other people as well. Bring them in. So that, yeah.
No, but you make it seem as if they look, cabinet. How many ministers are there? How many ministers are related to Akwatia? Tell me, how many ministers are related to Akwatia?
That's the core of government.
I'm asking you, how many ministers are related?
Well, I know the roads minister is in there.
I'm listening, go on.
Yes, the finance minister is in there.
I'm listening.
And who? I think top of mind, that's what I can recall. That
the road minister is not related.
It's not, but he's an Achim as well.
Yeah,
but people will bundle it.
You see, when they get the opportunity to speak, they make it sound like, wow, Uncle Jimmy. How many people had their grandfathers take them to school? And when you pay them say, see, I didn't quite Bessin, Kazakhstan. You know, and no, I hear it to ding ding or one who knows Jinawa. I said it is supposed to be Gary. You ready? Aquaway or one who knows Jinawana, your banner will be your name, say, kase we no wonder na wo so weni eden ba moni eden akwa we obutu wo se otampen wo fom na on hye dross na wo gina nechi a na akwa we ebutu wo se otampen a ede na obese brodua a yebum why se banchidua yebu a embu nto kire akwa we gina wanim wo yo ba hwe de ote wo ye no ho and how would you know and whose grandfather and I'm sure bibi who the champagne glass born happy pie wemu enkwasiasam they think they are better because they believe say omo no call school omuna but they don't know anything. You handed the country over to them for 8 years. They wanted to steal everything. No mo form Ghana sika to say modamfo. No mo form sikano, omo form sikano. Disrespect in just near the Japadiaba, near the DPDS aba. These are people. So you see them now, and they still have that inner monkey in them. So when they meet Ghanaians, now they are looking at who into one will be Acheampong Obejina TV so. And you see, I read some book be some British philosopher. And you see, Yatra Kroma near Masai Jimmy Fowey, almost suit tantan bi. Suita and Korabi, Ayan of Vietnam. Cheap labor, any palm of Vietnam. Na ya so near the bro na nkwasi afo di gina TV so da Ghana for. Anytime catch Ghana for say politics na a change. The NDC, they are presenting ordinary people. And when I say ordinary people, people who think like you, who believe they are like you, people who can relate to you, people who understand your local problem, people who can solve your local problems, not people who think that they have to speak in a certain way to look intelligent. It is not about intelligence. It's about you understanding the people's problems. It's about you, the leader, understanding what the people need, being able to put yourself in their situation, their position, being able to elevate them, change them. That is leadership. It is not about the rattling of some stupid English that makes you intelligent. And that is what we are missing here in Ghana. Now, until Akwatia became the roads minister, he cannot even construct simple sentences. He cannot even put his thoughts together. Did you know, sir, Bediatuo, they didn't have intelligence? Now the Dankwa Akufo-Addo in opposition, we thought that he is the engine of intelligence until Akufo-Addo became president. Even his acceptance speech, his speech to tell us a bond between him and us. Now the Dankwa Akufo-Addo plagiarized people's speech. These are monkeys. They are fake ass niggas who create and package themselves, come and lie to us and steal from us. And we need to sit back as a people. We have to start questioning the system, questioning people who want to lead us. Let's get the ordinary people to come and lead us. Let us give them the opportunity. Let us stop thinking that majority of those people in the NPP who speak grammar are daft, stupid idiots. They have nothing to offer you people. Now, Kwawe Gabi. Mese mo emba na mo pe medi we de matese kakra won ho we de ne ho tan stem ne beda na Gabi we gina wanim na odane ne ho onhye boxes na ebia condom atofom na ose okuntunu mu atam condom a na wo dam pass na wo hwa ade we na utumi ma ne da wo so a na wo so ya chenchena. Imagine Gabi no wearing anything a ne condom atofom a ose okuntunu mu atam condom no na Gabi tu ene ne pa ebo wiema or tam bibi or form. Imagine this gangantuan skeletal analysis. Yeah, this skeletal analysis, mami. Modia mumunim diaba. Alaji form o mami. Cheeky or your boy, yay, cheeky or your boy. Lord Kenya don't know. President and secretary, yay. Wemu. This is what I've been talking about. Yeti Kromha na Akwawe and the secretary to the president Akufo-Addo. The secretary. Then Yatina Adewe who 80 years. This is the secretary to the president. Na Yeti Kromha na Asofwatiha Impenifwatiha. What can this guy do for you as the secretary to the president? I read it, Jakobo. Kwasi afu beka say I can't nine pe. This is the secretary to the president. 80 years. And so Sankofo Ghana Amankofo we Charles Mombedin Kwasam. When they see anybody's son or husband, because hey, wait, now Bema will not never be worry. And so Bema will manage Flagstaff House 8 years. Sama me form to Ghana ye de my ba and worry bibia o. Sam Rantie, almost show Momotina Jubilee House, Flagstaff House, 8 years. Sir Obi could dress say Eddie BBC Sina no Eddie Obabia Chico Fium because hey, I'm Pebby where you are. Where the entertain and I entertain Eddie at the Fonsonie and so much now we a grove way. After you daddy have attention in young Kuno. So I be for no almost a song called forward to so much because honorable and more. Yeah, you jam. And you bring me refu kramanchana na otumfo said to na michiao me dog and also dummy. Bedon also dummy. Nana chanchan hine maba mi refi nana 3 times odia mame medjum. All right, moment ko enim. Now the NPP after losing Akwatia, they are still feeling say and he said they still don't get it. The NPP as a political party, they still don't get it. Okay? Now let's move on. Justin Nketiah or the NPP for any Akwatia. Hey, na Akwatia no chairman Wontumi anko bia na. Eh, rade jankopo. Chairman Wontumi anko Akwatia ni bia ohun. Me hu no ho, okwe but campaign wanko ebi. Abobi ka kinkon nya malaria ho ne be hu clinical kinkon beko. Abobi ka kinkon a na sa kinkon nya malaria ya be hwe clinical kinkon ne kwakwada ho because clinic ni nyina susa kinkon su nkom. Abobi ka kinkon na kinkon diarrhea ne atam kinkon se de ne ko clinical sa clinic na ewe kura so enwure mu ho no clinic ni so anti kinkon nkom nti abere ne asa kinkon yare. Abobi aka kinkon e ma kinkon nya malaria. Justin Nketiah oye general secretary odi NPP fu enim edi omko eye Akwatia ekoye campaign so omkoji seat. Ye nyina nim say NPP no omo chairman omo nibi they don't have a national chairman. Chairman now resign da also on your party ni bi wamen emubiem. Enti as we speak the NPP as a political party they don't have a national chairman. Enti party no ne to ebie emu da ho. Party no ne to no tokro no mu da ho. Iti party na nam wosa na ekoba no any national chairman no omo chairman say oye active odi party denim no eni nantwie no ebia wa adwene nko ho. The NPP as we speak they don't have a national chairman. Omo national chairman ankasa no wa resign. Enti sesia no wohwe party na esi wo no na wohwe chairman na odi enim na say party say na nantwie na di enim a eye dan na party no to me eye reasonable party because the NPP national chairman wa resign odi party mu biem na wana ya chairman nantwie ayana mu refi mu ho ayana moti Ghana ayana mu refi nsam ayana mu refi nsam. Now Justin Nketiah omko Akwatia ba ye no amure refi ana ayana me mpese metoto nsam ya ba NPP party no national chairman away. Wejai the party as it sits there, there's no national chairman who can say my fro bia ba momi antena se me na menim nyansa momi and discuss a party no. They don't have. The NPP as a political party today as we speak they don't have any intelligent person leading them as the national chairman. Obetimaka say asemesi munyina mom na esi NPP ende asemesi muma national chairman ben ebe from atenase na ndwie no ayila lao na esi ende NPP yakwa Akwatia ye lose yaba national chairman oho bia mfre ne atenase why na ebe free party say me na me chairman me be kasa amobi etie ede na ndwie di oso nanim ede na ndwie edi oso nanim. It was a partner has no direction. Osuna bodam na ndua bodam. Omo nyina nya tete cycle. And omo nyina edi eye party enim. Party national chairman we. So maybe it's something that you guys have not thought about. Boga, stop. Make I do my show. Stop, make I do my show, Boga. Eye dan na yetimi tena waka say party we a serious party. Now Akwatia ByElection lost not a reflection of 2028. NPP are called stronghold Akwatia. Akwatia our Eastern region. NPP almost 2 strongholds and they don't even have it again. Ashanti region and Eastern region. Akwatia a NPP seats. NPP MP neteso. NPP akohoma NDC tumia flip seats no asaje 5,000 votes free omunsem. General Secretary Pentium 2 bedroom kraya. Or say oh so we the emfa eye 2028 no. Hey. You see sometimes you ask yourself say the people who are leading the NPP now for a general secretary to underestimate or undermine what happened at Akwatia, it should tell you, say, this party NPP is done. No serious politician or a general secretary of a political party will sit and tell you, say, what happened at Akwatia will never have any implication on the 2028 elections. Hey! For you to even just make that statement, it means one, you are trying to tell your party base that still the party has no problems. You are still trying to tell the party base that I am incompetent. I could not win a seat that belonged to me and that you have to still keep me. To make this statement, it shows clearly that you have no plan going into election 2028. You see, you are young show come now but say what kind of saying? This was a test. This was a test for the executives to prove to Ghana for say 2024 elections, you were not ready. You had misled the people. Ghanaians were angry, and that you are a new party with a new message, with a new kind of vision. Akwatia's seat belonged to you. You had Akwatiania Sebio or Daddy Benkum Soa. Na NPP for ya. The people of Akwatia na omope eneskumia sem. Odo omo ma eneskumi se omo tumi de sa odo ne to nchen. No mo say upon yawa ekomumu abramo hwe omo de hye no, still they don't want to give the NPP any opportunity again. It should tell the party say Akwatia for Apo NPP, Ghana for are not ready. Because you see, there are 2 eneskumi, may his soul rest in peace. Men kan yire ene ne mbayawo asama eto eneskumi no se eneskumi baby o free eya Akwatia no se omo ye nkofobia they trust and believe in the NPP and at least omo nya hwe kran omo the sympathy vote nya be ma eneskumi NPP enya kra no omo beka se enya kra no they would have at least said that, you know something, let us just give the seat back as a form of appreciation to eneskumi. But you see, the NPP now e fa so kwan so etete eneskumi kunu no sa party na hye Akwatiafo abufuo. They don't want to have anything to do with the party, not today, not tomorrow. What you saw Akwatia a total blackout, a total I need a word. It's a total referendum against the NPP as a political party. Akwatia. They sent a message that at this point, there's nothing you guys can tell us to convince us. Stronghold say you are a party worth our votes. It's for the general secretary to even come out the next day to say, oh, what happened in Akwatia, it will not have any implications. And I say, 2028. Then the general secretary is a fool who needs to be changed. What was the job of the general secretary? The job of the general secretary was supposed to lead the NPP to reclaim their own seat. This seat belonged to you. Your job was supposed to lead the party, go in there and affirm your control on the seat and give your party base, your roots, that confirmation said the party on the ground, we are still firm, solid. We still hold our roots. Now, sir, what Kowanga so party, stronghold, constituency, and the opposition na wajisa waba power. Etumia sabe flip a seat, I'm what drop it close to 5,000 seat votes. Now wabanka abeka assembly tra easy. Say, wait there, mama we fee. So election na call anything. as the General Secretary of the NPP, or some of us here say it will not have any reflection on the 2028 elections. So we should not even think about it. And that the NPP there still also kukru dice. No, then kwasia bunikotrema akakan kwasia. And you know the deep implications of what has happened. This was a sample vote. And these people are still, these are people who are still they are in charge of the NPP. It's a better TV so bunikatrama. We don't, it's normal. Do not even listen to the NDC. This seat is not any serious seat that we think that it will affect 2028 general elections. In fact, the NPP is so strong, and that we know that we are Jimmy. What bukatrama saki kan kwasasem? Ayela. Ego vo mi dimochia o. Midimochia, Jimmy now had BNC. Look at this. Richard Ahiagba. I want to need Jimmy for Bawku the NPP and the NPP also with Jimmy Ome 20 ano. I say Musa Danquest's poll is illegitimate. It was meant to skew people's attention. Jesus Christ. Na masako sala I say akwa we me kwato de so aba mana be kasa ma NPP. Musa Dankwa aye polls. The polls were way before the elections. He gave you indications to say we will lose the elections, no? And he just didn't say it. He gave you facts, research that he has done. And he even gave you a range of percentage. Mujimi amube lose. Na kwasia we adiachi masabe jina TV so catch Ghana for say Musa eya Dankwa polls no yeah you know. It was just an illegitimate polls and was meant to skew people's attention. Whose attention? The people he was supposed to skew their attention are which people? Are which people? So are you trying to tell me, say, Musa Danquest's polls, no, and then the convince Akwatia for Momututia MPP, where Jimmy? Hey. So, and when I may catch the NDC for Musa Dankwa polls, no, whether it goes in your favor or it goes against you, you people need to pay attention and respect Musa Danquest's polls. And work with it. They don't have to underestimate this kind of scientific polls with facts. Their inner monkey has taken red. Me catch up to MPP for omo adre bi show mumu. Sa adre no until yebebo mu nyinesu eyi adre no they can never change. The party is still going to languish in adre mentality. How difficult is this? You just go out and let people know what the guy did, whether we like him or we don't like him. What he did basically came. It came true. We saw it. We lost the elections. In fact, what he did, it wasn't just what we call speculation. He told us he did the research, and what should surprise us and what be worrying to us is the percentage he stated, and it basically reflected. So, as much as we hate Musa Dankwa, let us, at the end of the day, at least, and let us look at what he actually went there, the questions he was asking, things that we did not do right. Question paying and also, it is illegitimate. The NPP are a bunch of fools. And I know when I see young people, I have seen young people who are following NPP. And the other say, "Omumba na omdi MPP chino, omu TikTok, omu time, omu no more time." I say, mema basa omu basa bi, omu respect, omu tan girls bi. Now me sure man omu mbobo because you see, oyoba omu time, oyoba you don't have the intelligence to follow a party that will give you a little bit of confidence and hope. Oyoba you are following a party that is lying to you. Oyoba, at the end of the day, you cannot even move away from your tribalism to look at real issues. And at that point, the war any abreche is abreche one for swatching because abreche be young quine, I'm an one boom. Now where? It means small girls now. With the MPP, say abreche a ya ponche koko, ya didn't tunquemwa, na pempembe bon coinim, ya the back kindness upon where they are dealing quine and not the who boom. Now what do you need? And I see these young girls. Now I pity them because at this point, Where are you people heading? Or you are headed? Who is going to take you people serious? Because my life ring if these are the people you are looking up to say, Omu beji to me amount. Now was be nipa and the obeya brechia che. I pity them. They are political jobbers. Political jobbers. And young girls who are supposed to end up Bema wire ding so benya Bema kraware. And the ed ding so benya Bema sebio Bema bekas oba we di onimnyansa or taking the right decision me person netina. Ade won din wasase we so say obenya Bema. Now we all ba na say Jimmy. Unim se NPP audi echire. At the end of the day, it go form di we nim no mo Jimmy. Instead of you to take a step back and look at yourself and say, Dabio, me tiri you grant to me fu. Me to me soponi. Me jina he me yunsu me kro bia nkai me. Eda me da ho demi, me bien tokura, me bien luva, anase me bien sliding window, me bien tokura. There is more for me to do in life than to be following these inner monkey people. Na obabesia say, me de me NPP ni, me ye adwuma ma NPP. Na eye Ekufuado be the president. Ne man numo say 9 obi ani resume. And some more $2 million restaurant. Now we do kwasia ma ma meti anya nchirem. Now sorry ye de Akwatia, ye kwakasa ma NPP. Na Ekufuado no ne ba ni certificate no, ne ba $2 million restaurant. Now wo ni abrechie difference be ne wom. Imbrechie United. It's animal san me hu ana me ya. It hurts me. Because sanka me bubo muo enam di ebrogu ma anka metuma anya mo akoton mo mali. It's animal me hu omo na se omu bie ntokura all of them catch them say down with them omu bie eye window ni na hwe eye ntokura dan no mutim kro oti ntokura dan mu ma kotere wan rem na mo ceiling so say o be defend Bawumia. Oti ntokura dan mu ubie na o hwe dwon so gu abontene oti ntokura dan mu o ceiling plywood ni e de aye na ebi didam uti ntokura dem so be defend Bawumia na omo kwaji 2 million eye Bryan miracle abwajo je 7 million omo ehi na Acheampong wesi so wodros ye 9 fruit of the loom ba ko to atete na ombo brampa bibi ma bema bi hu so dim nyansa na ot TikTok say me na mekasa ma NPP o ene entam o pro montina sina mondwene we mu na mudi omochi na omagimi o Imbrechie United sa NPP nkora girls bi na omo nyenyenyan no mtete TikTok na ye ne yakasa ma say Imbrechie United Imbrechie United mo na mo beje power na mo na dey for to me. Do you know what power is? Do you know what we use power to do? Na Imbrechie United way omo na omo ye campaign ama Bawumia ene NPP ye ntiase ne ene Bawumia de ye se ye de ye ba say na basa wa basa sa akoko kontwa unyenya urolon akakota na asa unye adwuma bia embuild wo ho say me na me be ye adwuma de NPP aba power kwase mpanyi we hu asema woka ade na eda ho na wo say correct ma party ni gina ne na so etoto nwoma ema Imbrechie United te samo etumi benya bra no mote wona kwasiafo we dada mo enti Imbrechie United no de bia Imbrechie United MU Anya Manchester United, Imbrechie United, Imbrechie. Na me hu na mo me mobo, I laugh, I smile, but I pity them inward. Because me hu me say in the say no we o ya kwiti saying. Mo ya kwiti saying. Oh yeah, for how many years? 4 years, 8 years, 12 years, 16 years. I don't wear mobo. Enti when am mo ya campaign, ye kasa, ye kasa na ye kan Ghana for betie. Na makoto modia woni adia modia wonko gira mo amukeje tia ne mo amu constituency na monfa mic any speaker so na monkase mu na hwese nipa ba bigina wo che tia Imbrechie United we hu now ha de man we your friend Zato Jebuti Zato Joshua Jebuti Zato mamika bi bincha Ghana for Imbrechie is in Ponchi United. Now, oh man, suddenly, from nowhere, a teacher is all over the place. Obetra TV soa, and they'll say, Dr. Joshua Zato attributes the NPP's defeat in Akwatia to the electorate's preference for voting in line with the government of the day. Or say, NPP na muko luzu Akwatia no. Oh, eya baine waso no. Nyoma oye ne ma omoto aba no. Mumienko tie abrechiwe.
Voters are aspirational, and I can understand there's a by-election. If you were a rational voter in Akwatia, and then somebody comes, and then the question they ask you is, vote for me so that you can get your roads done. Vote for me, and you actually see the roads being done. Vote for me, and I can get your hospital fixed, and you actually see it fixed. In other words, vote for me, and I can deliver tangibles. You see, it's a by-election, and you realize that there's a government in power. Those things will resonate more than you. You don't have power of the state. You don't have the power of money to go and promise anything else. So it's like saying that here is a bulldozer doing your roads, come for it, and then another person standing with an open hand, a closed hand, saying there's nothing there. So I can understand that the voters will choose that, look, hey, if it will get our roads fixed, then we'll vote for the party Bow. If it will get a development to our place, we'll do it. Because that is exactly what the data showed. That is what Musa Dakwa said. Musa Dakwa said, look, what he's thinking is that the voters are going to say that you are in power. You hold the power of the state and you hold the purse of state. You can develop our roads. You can develop our economy. And the voters are going to choose that. And that is also, they made a rational self-interest decision. And I can understand that and I respect that because it's a by-election. If you vote for an NPP candidate, how is he going to lobby for development for you, considering that in the next at least 5 years, you are in opposition?
But we want to send off. And
please align. No disruptions.
So you understand that. So the question then becomes, so for me, if you ask me why did it happen because the voters voted rationally. They looked at it and they say, yes, you are in power. You can give us the tangibles we need. You can give us the development we need. We'll do that. And that is why they voted that way.
Okay. So what then was the strategy of the NPP then? To counter that, if you already knew that was at stake?
Yes, of course. So the NPP plan was this. Try to maintain the votes you had in the last elections. Try to maintain the votes you had in the last elections. But it's always going to be, as I said, difficult considering that you are going up against state machinery. You are going up against a government power. And secondly, look, this didn't happen at a time we all know. Governments have honeymoons. Everybody really knows that any government that comes to power has a honeymoon. Sometimes the honeymoon can last a year or 2 years. This government is still in its honeymoon. So the government is still popular. Those are facts. The government is still popular. So if you then understand that you are doing an election at a time when, one, the government is already popular because it's in the honeymoon period. Two, the government can actually promise tangibles and because, again, they are there and it's a by-election. And then you realize that third, concerning the numbers in parliament, if you send your delegate, your MP there, the ability to lobby for, because again, it cannot hold any major power in the committee, then they can vote rationally. So if you put all these factors together, then I'd respect.
Jesus Christ. He can't say opposition or position, he say position. Do you know this guy is a PhD holder? Now, as some are out, you know, Obi on table says he's making sense. And I'm a your friend is Zato, or a lecturer, senior lecturer, political science department in Legon. Wash up and down, and up to 2 hours on the tour. Utina, now we hear the Tisami DBA. I can say, with the NPP communicator, or yeah, deal, also on the NPP communicator. So who is no which party? Because I saw Elikem Kotoko sitting there. We saw a Alan Chamantin representative and already also a lecturer. And two say, this NPP communicator is really working hard. Because I'm a PhD holder, I'm a lecturer, I'm not a communicator for the NPP. So when you're smart now with Tiakwa, we are say, he's making sense. Oh, hey, you know, from the day Bawumia promised this guy, say, we need power, obey an education minister, he became mad on social media. All the little credibility he had, he threw it to the dogs, and he started exhibiting the highest form of ignorance. From the day, Adam on TV, so Elikem, anytime you meet this guy on TV, ask him, haven't you been promised by Bawumia to make you education minister when he wins power? Or if he wins power, ask him. He can't give you a straight answer. I'll prove to him. The day about Bawumia Akwatia say, I will make you education minister. Pe and obodam. Now, in someone can be Rebecca position, you know, there are no patch. The argument in United say, as a senior political science lecturer at the University of at Legon at Legon, the point I know making United say, Aya asema esiwa Akwatia no, adikudie ti Akwatia for etoma NDC ne say, aban na wo power no, share omobo. In fact, na aban ne catch so obeye kwan a omu se oye kwan. Na aban no ye nyoma bi ma, ene na ma Akwatia for toma NDC. Enti me wusa na eleken peso obusa ne say, but time na ye call eye Ase North. Na na do danko ekufuado, the excavator kosi wo se oye kwan, e ma ye hu se excavator edwi so. Omo ka se omo si school the same day na omo to aba na do danko ekufuado fa na konwa sika mu or the whole government etu free Accra ebeye campaign e ho na free mo pare ne tutietia odi begina stage e share jeans esaye. Still NPP lost the elections. So you as a political science lecturer, I don't think you make statement without backing it with precedents and facts. Now, if you want to use this as the basis in TIA, say NDC ko also koye kwan and NDC show bo anything Akwatia for etoma NDC. Na say when to me and justify why NPP for ekojina ho eye kwan wa Ase North AC school president eko show bo on stage SSR government but still want to me win, then you don't deserve to be standing in front of a political science student to teach them. You are basically a party communicator. You cannot differentiate between party politics and you being a lecturer and speaking to the facts. This man, what would you know? What's not education sector anymore for long? Zato should be in his late 40s or early 50s, right? Mr. S. Get me Zato's age. Na me kase minchemo. Me be chema de kudienti a oyedi oye no. Okay? Right now in Ghana, the most lucrative job is politics. Yeah. Papa we, wachire nkwara ade momo be fa ni nsem. We won't daft students are because of politics. What those kids have been able to achieve, Wontumi achieve. He is getting closer to his retirement. He is still printing pamphlets. He is still trying to tell people, don't write this, write that. He is still marking assignments. Now, what's in a political science department or a weak-minded student today, he sees them on TV, they make some flimsy, stupid submissions, and people clap for them. He has seen young people pass through his hands, who are today worth millions of dollars, Onim said they don't deserve it, but because of politics, those little young men and women are making money. Now, what he wants to do now is, Osha ni years I will do a teaching mu. Osha nyoma enkwara omafa ni nsemu. Now, study how politics has become very lucrative. Now he spends more time on TV than in the lecture room, in the lecture halls. Now, what he's trying to do in NSA, things that he was not able to achieve as a teacher, monetary things, material things, wealth that he could not achieve because he has very limited time to go on retirement. Make sure 442 now obono. He has very limited time. He has very limited time in the field he is in. Now, what he's doing now, he's trying to carve a room so that he could fit into the political class, whereby if he's able to find a way to push his weight through by defending nonsense. Because you see, normally when the NPP are in opposition, that is when they try to find people to defend their nonsense. And what they do is they use daft individuals pretending to be intelligent with some titles to convince you that they are neutrals. Now this guy, from the day Bawumia promised him that he can become an education minister in his administration if he wins elections, from that day he told himself, whatever Nana B has achieved, he wants to achieve the same thing. And in terms of wealth and money, This guy has less than 10 years to go on retirement. Whatever Miracle Abuaji was able to make in 2024 elections, Miracle Abuaji made $7 million from the campaign. He was still standing in the classroom. He's looking at Kodia, a daft student, and looking at the amount of money Kodia has made, the school Kodia has built. He's looking at poor, low voltage individuals who are parading as intelligent people because of politics, making some good money. That is why today he's so desperate. You know, sometimes when you listen to him, it's like we're not rabies. He is trying to cover everything. And when you ask him, are you talking in favor of the NPP? You say, no. I am a neutral. No. This guy, who say, Asiedu, and all these people, these young boys, Nana B, Bryan Acheampong, JFK, NPP, when we say, through politics, these people have made money. And you see, he's pushing his way through. He's pushing his way through. Into alternative so it is not about many NPP, but I'm defending NPP because behind the scenes, Bawumia has promised him. This is a political lecturer. Politics 101. The same strategy you said the NDC used to win the elections. Why didn't the same strategy NPP use in Asiedu North? Why didn't it work? It is politics 101. You are a lecturer. You should be able to explain to us. But you see, Akwatia TV so, and I don't know why Ghanaians give such people the room to rant and talk nonsense. 90% of what this guy says on TV is bullshit. I'm telling you. 90% of Zato, the things he says on TV, he cannot even defend himself when it's given to him as an assignment. This argument he's making, if somebody decides to write and give it to him as an assignment and say the same thing happened in Asiedu North and that the people there still voted for the NDC, he cannot answer that assignment. These are not people we are supposed to. He wants to cash out. He's desperate. He's frustrated. Car Nanabi Chino, Wontumi Chibi. Car Kodia Chino, Wontumi Chibi. Car Sami Jemfi Chino, Samia Ukuchino, Wontumi Chibi. Car NPP Small Boys Way, Enya Chino, a diamond. And yeah, he's pained. He needs to get some. He is so aggressive. He's working to make sure before his retirement, or also some political gold box. That is why he's doing this. I'm going to defend Bawumia. Because what he's doing is that he's basically he's interviewing for the job. Into Wontumi making argument to me. Wontumi is also Akwatia, is he actually a lecturer? Yes, or a senior lecturer at Legon Political Science Department. He's around 46 years and Choboko retirement. And you see, this is what we call the retirement scare. He's being haunted by his retirement. He's looking at his account. He sees there's nothing in there. He looks at things that he has been able to purchase. All these years he has been in teaching. He can see clearly. He cannot leave anything behind. In fact, he's going to retire a poor man. But Ohena Nabi Jimmy we are. And Kenya politics are. And can Nabi the Otumito Danto a diamond sama oba. Or else I may Jimmy we are. And your politics are. A year on Zato. Okon accounts to 72,000 Ghana a dim. Dear a car or day 32,000 Ghana. Into the Sika Dawk do 40,000 Ghana. Into Ocean accounts to say, how can I be sitting at Legon every day and talking? I brought to my TV show and spew nonsense for people to think that I'm intelligent because I'm going to work with my title. He's working with his title. He's not working with his intelligence. He's so useless, eh? When you listen to him, the pain that you go through, you ask yourself, is this the guy standing in front of young people and teaching them politics in Ghana? Now, listen to the guy again. The guy is so daft.
Voters are aspirational, and I can understand there's a by-election. If you were a rational voter in Akwatia, and then somebody comes, and then the question they ask you is, vote for me so that you can get your roads done. Vote for me, and you actually see the roads being done. Vote for me, and I can get your hospital fixed, and you actually see it fixed. In other words, vote for me, and I can deliver tangibles. You see, it's a by-election, and you realize that there's a government in power. Those things will resonate more than you. You don't have power of the state. You don't have the power of money to go and promise anything else. So it's like saying that here is a bulldozer doing your roads, come for it, and then another person standing with an open hand.
He's done. Or she up and down. I know about TV so. Yes, this is Sala East or contested NPP primaries no lose here. Until you see, this guy, he's frustrated. Oh, only capra on accounts more. Ka o chukra no wa rebe ho. Enko ye o. Enti de oye no. One nkora na epem so. Enche obekọ retirement. Emu aye den ama no. Na na me yase Ghana for Wontumi analyzing nkofo. Okasa kura Wontumi open Thomas akwa. Because we are best text Bawumia or say, oh, send me the clip, send me into course, oh, cut it for me. We are not for Bawumia today's receipt. This is what they are doing. And every day, Okasa we are now telling us, akwa we dia na hoka o ceremony ana. Because our accent kakra say o ceremony. Ai, na ceremony a wosua dia. Say be we smart. Opesa oji ukro. San kwasi afo na odi omoti. And oyerepa no afrerola worker, please can you people cut that piece for me? The piece no cut no ma sending in about 2 minutes no afford it ni nyina Bawumia da e list so forward we also please Mr. President this is honorable. I went to TV3 today. What about Bawumia so I say thank you. Bawumia nka bibia obo say Bawumia I say Bawumia man say thumbs up thank you. Inti odim so oye adwuma Akwa standing for NPP, Sesala East, Zato, or your MPP pure, or your MPP Kwache Kufuado, Akwa Zato, Onye, Dr. Joshua Zabuntie Zato, Radija Gupo. Now, Wabetna TV is also a lecturer. Mumfa Krashi Triman and sorry go. Yeah, Sesala East, or contested or lose ye. But Wabetna TV Swa, or so on your MPP, Onye. Akwa we muno TV so amuhuro no onye ni papa onka no kure is a liar. We onka no kure. Owia bisi minim the American aden se Bawumia team no mi won kofo wom. On free TV3 pe no afraid Roland Walker. Oh, can I speak to your producer? I say, oh, Mr. Zato is the thing you didn't bring it to above 12:30 and obusa. Or per receipt come Bawumia. About 12:45 please I'm going to lecture so but the thing didn't come. Also oh, say I'm sorry no more 2 minutes. Or say you know what's up when it's too long we cannot download. So make it short. Now producers why the short I 2 minutes 25 seconds 20 minutes you know remember when I was talking about the Akwatia that one did I know can you bring that one in you can yes that part is very important. Now producer you try 2 minutes thought in German by 8 no I was forward to Bawumia sha no they sha say Mr. President, this is what happened today. It wasn't easy at all, but we will win. We will prevail. Now Bawumia say thumbs up. Kwasia. Over to me. Alaji, for more, Kwasia for Alaji wine, for more. Technology, Zato or your MPP new or your communicator or the set miracle abwaji. Matisia so free to mu. Now who's Zato free to mu? To mu kwa nyina say 8 years. MPP nkwasi afo better. Montafo ni bidia mo ne de yem kwasi adwuma no wo Zato. Wa kan buke wo wiase nyina we hu nyansa nka nkire Bawumia na ofiri boko. Mampuru ofiri wale se ukuro mu tumu kwan asai. Would Jimmy 8 years at the MPP echi went to anya tumu kwan. Tahiru. Kwashampenyi we free ukuro. Fento Tahiru. Zato is from your hometown. On mani kuro. Obano we do tamape no other hotel. No a friend in Pra, Aminata, no another. No a friend who come for a job so. Oba lecture be what Tamale Central University. Now Oba Saba, onko tumu. Akwa we onko krom. Tahiru, unipa ukrom nini. Tahiru fento ta ukrom nini. Tahiru, how passionate Tahiru is. Tahiru. Fento Tahiru. The guy is so passionate about his hometown tumu. Many didn't come up any did crampona make to me as a pen with also in Dibium. And here, or Sadentina to make a to myself. Oh, just say, me bagana, many did, and I'm so not how far for Tumunani Bofu. I one way in the phone. Look at Tumu. Say, Mr. How far for Tumu? I said, give me pictures of Tumu. Fento Tahiru, Unya Penny Baku, Jimmy, Zato. Mutum Banzan is Zato. Zato, Muna Fikio, Balao Zato. Wawani we jai tumu asem kan wabetran kan o defend Bawumia. Tahiru. So call this guy and tell him that Tumu for life. You people need development for Tumu. So he should start advocating for Tumu roads to be done. Now saying aban we buy ye ready budget no about 5 roads I call Tumu aban we dia ka budget no. Acheampong we better TV so Wontumi applaud the government no for making sure say Tumu road no NPP Nketiah na Bawumia mu die nim they could not fix it. And the NDC Abama Tumu Road, is going to be under construction. Akwatia sorry to try say no about TV. So and you know, and I don't understand. And the people, Tahiru, talk to this fool. Uncle Chrome. Oduta meripenu jina. Walai. Tumu fa mutu mazano tumu fa nenya. Just a tumu wa uncle. Oka so uncle tumu so uncle Bokina. And then last night na alternative so yanka uncle maybe ofi Wontumi nka. And so Tahiru is so proud. Fento Tahiru is so proud of Tumu. Mene Tahiru koye fo Tumu Tahiru. Yase ko dua cashew. Hey, Fento. Ani ye nyina disika bae. Tahiru ne dia kakra ba na so me dia kakra bae. Ebesi na bi wu efo no bi Tahiru asem we. Owie wa manensi won ofre me yere ka kire se oya akwara no o che jataku no Tahiru ne nana che data Tahiru. Baby a wo free so eye sirem. Tahiru ka kire me yere de me ma. Emma still me bag Ghana Tahiru. Ye didi no otwisa bi na no sa catch them yire say hi. Data na ye true. Ye ko mole park. Ena nipa na ode ye ko eye ranger na ode ye nam forest no. Say free you ena ranger ko bi na no ka say oh. We think that some people have spotted lions. Okay, ranger tell him and I'm say Akwani say it could be one kasa jatawa. Monsieur Komole Park now. Mr. Ranger the crown when one. Yet it oh so this one is an antelope. So nice. Oh, you see this monkey? Yes. Oh, near elephant. Beautiful. L for elephant. We grow us at before. L for elephant. In the Kwana Ranger and say, this forest is quite big. We have not actually discovered everything in the forest. In fact, there are news that some people have sighted lions. Say, Wana Tahiru say, Akwanijina Kano. Adaya. Asamna Akwana Kano. And the wakach me asa jata was srim. Tahiru. Tahiru. Oh dear, no problem. Jata was srim. Cashew nisikano. Brani and discuss it. Cashew no for picture me. Cashew farm no. Come and show me the picture of the cashew farm. My catch row. Okay. All right, let's move forward. Nkwasia Chelsea now support na mu wini amadi panda no. So support Chelsea akofa cashew farm ne bra. Eche wo jai Chelsea ansa na me jai. Either you quit Chelsea or bring my cashew farm. If you are still going to support Chelsea, I'm going to ask for the cashew farm. I'm telling you. Nonsense. All right, now, about 7-3. There's another story here I want you to also see.